Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whichever location you are watching this training. And this is a quick update on the microservices training which is happening on every Saturday and Sunday. And I'm telling you, I'm enjoying this training thoroughly. Why? Because last Saturday, Sunday, we looked into entity and value objects, and then we looked into aggregate root, then we looked into factory, then we said, oh, how this factory is different from that gang of factory. Somebody put up a comment saying that, hey, like, can we code the value object in using record? And then I gave an input around it. I'm thoroughly enjoying it, right? I hope that everyone is enjoying this training, right? So let us quickly go through the syllabus and let us see that what we have taken till now and what is pending. So let us quickly go through the topics, what we have covered. If you remember, on the first day, we started with strategic DDD, right? So we talked about the definition of microservices. We looked into monolith. We talked about team autonomy. We talked about, how, from the domain, right? So we have a domain, then that from the domain, we create subdomains, we analyze subdomains. Then we have the bounded context. Inside that, we have the ubiquitous language. Then we decide the context map, right? And remember, in the context map, we have different context maps, right? So all that we covered. And then from there, we said that we will start with the tactical DDD, right? So in tactical DDD, what we did is we talked about that there are three kinds of classes: entity, value objects, and service objects. So if you remember in the code, I had shown these three kind of classes. This is the entity class, right? This is the value object, right? Value object can be created by using class or money, right? And then we have the services, right? Which are neither entities or neither value objects. Like you can see three different kind of services. We talked about domain service, application service, and infrastructure service, right? So these are the things we talked about. Then we said that, okay, that these entities we have created, these value objects we have defined, right? But we should be able to go and map it with DDD, right? So we started with the equality thing. We said that if you want to go and compare the equality, so in case of money, you have to go ahead and override the equals method and check by value. In case of entity, you have to again override the equals method and check by ID, right? And so on, right? So we talked about the same. We also talked about the importance of immutability, right? That what is the importance of immutability and what is the side effects of it. We also went ahead and we talked about that how record objects can be a better candidate for value objects than classes, right? But we also discussed about the record and EF problem, right? Then we also discussed about the collision. We talked about the aggregate root. Remember, this is the aggregate root. Inside the customer, you have orders, and all the logic should go through this add orders, right? So that is called as an aggregate root. And then we said that, okay, for creating this aggregate root, there can be complexity. So for that, we created a factory, and that factory actually encapsulated the complete aggregate root creation, right? And we also talked about that how the factory in DDD is different than the factory in Gang of Four, right? So in the next class, what we are starting is we are starting with cqrs. So we'll be talking about cqrs, and we'll be talking about how it works with repository pattern. I would suggest, guys, we have still not covered too many topics, right? Almost it is only 2 weeks of training. We have completed 4 hours only. I would suggest please log into Teachables, go through the 4 hours and try to connect this Saturday and Sunday, because from this Saturday and Sunday, I'm starting with the main topic, that is CQRS, right? So just in case if somebody has not caught up, this is the time you can catch up, right? So see you in this coming Saturday on Sunday. That means I'm talking about 2nd and 3rd, and we'll discuss about CQRS. And please note, we are coming up with ADF training very quickly, right? I would like to just highlight, this is the ADF training which Guru sir is taking, right? That will be starting from August. We'll be discussing about it. We are going to come up with the Azure AI training, that is also in pipeline. Also, Pradeep sir, in the coming 2-3 months, will be repeating the Angular, new version of Angular training. So complete action on QuestPond, right? And not to forget, our Azure internal videos are coming up. Our interview questions are regularly coming up. Remember, the market is very tight at this moment. Look at the way the jobs are going out, right? So be prepared, be billable. Happy learning, happy job hunting.